Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my new BOXYCHARM unboxing. I'm super excited. I have not been able to done this box, so I actually don't even know what is in here. I know I'm so late on this box and everyone's like already seen this box, but I have not. So let's see what's gonna be in my box. All right, so this is Afterglow, so hopefully it's everything that's gonna be like all like glowy, because who doesn't love glow? The first one is actually something I have never seen before. This is No Pore GLAM Primer, and this is called the Touch in Soul. So I've put a little bit on my arm just to kind of see how it feels. It's not sticky at all. You know, some primers are like more like blurry. This is not blurry. This is definitely, it looks like it's gonna be hydrating. It does have a nice smell. It doesn't like have like a stinky smell. So I already have like makeup and stuff on right now, but let's just kind of see what it looks if I put a little bit on top of my makeup, just because I do already have some makeup on, so I don't want to like start it again. But I can put it on top, who cares? And let's put it just a little bit, because I've been like super dry because I just went to Florida and I just really put a lot of stuff on so I can have like super amazing tanned self. And but yeah, so I have everything is like super dry. I can already see that it's definitely a primer is for like hydration. It does not say that it's for hydration, but I can already see it's like very hydrating, if that makes any sense. Feel very soft, very soft. And this is $18. All right, moving on, I have this is the Pharmacy Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So this is an ultra gentle facial cleanser gel that washes away for surface oil and things like that. Just use this on wet skin and then massage on the face with circular motions, and then rinse with warm water and use morning and night. Just to change this up really quick, isn't my reading like top notch as of right now? That was like amazing. And I read today with some of my kids, and I was reading and, you know, out for their like stuff, and I totally killed it. But yeah, so this is that, and this says this is, where is it? So this is for $22. All right, so next in the box we have this Pretty Vulgar item. So some of the Pretty Vulgar is really good, and then some of the other are not so good. So sometime is like a hit and a miss. So this is a glow up highlighter. That's exciting. So I've never used any of their highlights, so it looks like this. I do have a highlight on right now. I already came home from work, so let's try this and see how this is gonna work. So I'm just gonna use a brush. This is my Morphe M510. Use my code Courtney to get some money off. But let's just try, and I'm gonna really load it up because I always load everything up. So let's see if we can, oh, that's really pretty. Okay, that's like really pretty. That's like super pretty. I'm so annoying. So I'm putting it on my nose because this is like always the place that like I'm always looking at to see if other people are using it, and I'm totally using it. And I'm putting in the correct spots, and I do it on the side and on my nose and on my Cupid's bow. And I just like to be a dipto ball. A dipto ball. I don't think that was right, but you guys knew what I meant to say. It is $32 for this highlighter. I think it is worth it. It probably, I think it's because of the brush that I'm using. I don't really like this brush for highlighting. I like to use something a little bit smaller and a little more like dense, but it definitely works with that, so I'm sure it's definitely gonna work perfectly with a different brush. All right, so next in the box, I think everybody has seen this mascara before their life. Wait, that doesn't work. So next in the box, we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm not going to open this because we already have done it, but I actually did use this today. And remember, let me just fix this up here. So I already came home from work. I started doing my makeup at 5:45 in the morning, and we can see it's working. Still working. So this is the mascara here. I didn't even plan this because I had no idea this was already in the box, but I already have like 3 of these in the backup because I love this mascara. So if you've never used this, you are crazy. It is one of the best mascaras, so definitely go check it out. This mascara is $24. Go get it if you haven't yet. It is amazing. All right, last thing in the box is from Stecky. I'm never gonna get this. So this actually says it is a 2-in-1 lip duo for your lips, for a primer, and then the other side is a glaze on the other side. So let's try this bad boy on. So the one size does say primer inside. So, ooh, the primers are right here. Let's put this in my eyes. My lips are so chapped all the time because it's the winter. But I'm gonna put this on my lips. It looks like it's mattifying my lips. It's hydrating. And then on this side, it looks like it is actually a crayon, but it's not. You pull it up and then hear the product here. Let's see. So like normally I would not use like this type of product that is like not pointed, just because like it's gonna kind of hard to get the areas for here. Oh, it's like, okay, so it's more of a glossy kind of, it's not like hard or anything. It's kind of like glossy. Oh, it's like a really pretty color. It's like not completely matte, but it's not glossy either. It has a really good formula. I really like the formula. All right, guys, so this is everything in the box. Everything is gone. I loved this box. It was actually really helpful. It like really showed you like really good products, and like most of my makeup was already done, but everything in this box other than I think this and this were the 2 things that I did not use. So I'm definitely going to be using this to try it to cleanse my face after I have all my makeup on. So I'm like in like 5 minutes. But yeah, I will definitely write it down in the description box to let you know how this worked. And this one I'm super excited to see it tomorrow morning when I like start doing my next makeup. So everything in this box is always about $130. So as you guys know, BOXYCHARM, we do not actually pay $130 for the box. So definitely I will put my link for you guys down below so you guys can click. I know this video is like almost over because the month is almost over already, but definitely look up for what the next box is going to look like, because trust me, BOXYCHARM always does such an amazing job what is in the box. So definitely one of my favorite boxes for makeup. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below your thoughts. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.